everyone. So I'm printing a twin piston engine. I think it's a wobbler. What I read, guys, about this piston, there's a lot of sanding to do, and piston, everything is really hard, and sometimes it breaks very easily. So even though I know all that, I still thought I'd have a go at it. As you can see at the moment, this is sticking nicely. Let it finish. I'm going to do just the one piston and one cylinder. This is a cylinder. It's taking ages, guys. It's only 21%. This is. Can you believe that? I don't understand how big this engine is. This is only 66% done. Well, guys, it looks beautiful. I like it. So, guys, this is the piston I'm going to do right now. See if it will fit this. See if it will fit the cylinder. These are the cylinders done. You blow through that hole, it comes nicely through. Second one done, guys. I tried this. It kind of fits. It doesn't 100% fit, so I have to just kind of use mild, well, soft sandpaper or something to push it in to the cylinder there. I know a lot of people had problems. They complained a lot, say didn't fit. They sand it down so much, etc., etc. As you can see, this is more or less fitting there. So obviously a bit more sanding and it should be done. But yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Not bad at all. There you go, guys. Completed. This is a connecting rod. It's done. So I just gotta take it off this bed plate. Printing the first wheel, as it were. On the glass gave me a lot of problems with this white PLA, so I put back my thing here and it seems to be printing somewhat better than before. We'll see how it goes. This is the flywheel number 1. Making a nipple here. This is called a nipple nut. Gonna have to have 2 of these. So there are 4 nuts to do. Probably can't see properly at the moment. I'll wait till this is finished. Making the base plate. It's supposed to take about 3 hours and more. It's supposed to be a spring. But yeah, it looks like a spring. These are the sides, the stands as it were. It's taken about 8 hours to print these. Okay, in this section I have to tell you a few things. First of all, it did take a lot of sanding inside and outside. I showed you a few ways I did it. This is loose-ish. Maybe it's not as loose as it's supposed to be, but it is pretty loose. So yeah, this is what I've done. This had to be sanded as well to fit this, so it's kind of loose there. And then I found how to sand this part here to fit this part here in there, so it's loose-ish, if you know what I mean. Okay, so this goes on here, this goes in here, this then goes into there, and that this part here goes into there. The hole through here, if you blow on it, it comes out through there, that hole there, which shows you that it's nicely designed basically. And then the other hole, which this will go through, blows through there or out of there. Okay, so this fits in there like that. This fits in there like that. Like, as you can see, it's a bit stiff when I move it like that, but I have to work on it off camera to make sure that everything is working proper. So then if I put this one together the same way, then that works okay too. But I know you might be screaming at the screen at the moment to say put the oil in there, which I'm going to do in a minute. I just want to show you what I'm doing. So then this will go into there like this, fits into there nicely. These two then are clipped together with a screw, maybe a nut and a bolt. The holes are there, as you can see there. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to do it off camera because I'm going to put oil on this, screw that down. Then I've got the base. The base is here. So obviously this goes through the base, and I've got 4 nuts. It'll go through the nuts there. Then we have got this nipple here which goes into there, blow through there. Now I assume that if I put it through this way, it'll blow the opposite way, but we shall test that. And that's it really. So I'm going to put it together off camera, oil and everything else. Make sure it's turning freely. Put the bolts on there, then we'll get back to you. Just to show you, it was a bit fiddly, but the spring's in there. We got it through. These are through as well. It's a little bit stiff at the moment, although I have put oil in. I have to run it in, I think. Okay, so next part then is the bottom piece. I'll put the screws on and I'll get back to you. Okay guys, so I put it together. I put the spring in there. It's a little bit stiff still, but I think it should be alright. These were a little bit difficult to get on. I pushed them hard and they got on okay. That's it really. So I think it's a really beautiful design. I think it's really great, and I do believe it going the opposite way, because if you blow through here, it'll go that way. If you blow through there, it'll go this way. So it's the opposite way. So it's a reversing engine basically. Okay, so I can't blow through there with my mouth because it's a little bit stiff. I have to wait till it's loose before it'll work. So I've got a little some air thing here that'll blow through there. Let's see how that works. So this is going that way around, which is clockwise to me. If I turn it around that way, it'll go clockwise again, which means it's going the opposite way, I think. See, that's going clockwise. So if it was that way, it's going that way, and this is going this way around. So yeah, it works. Now, I know that people have said about filing and problems with that. Yes, you have to be patient, and you have to sand these things down inside there, down here as well, and even that little thing there, sand it all down. Just take your time and prepare yourself that you're going to have to sand it down. But once you do, you know, I think it's worth the effort of printing, sanding, and building this engine. So I'm just going to put it on my compressor and see how that blows. One thing I'll say to you guys is that if you build this engine, and this is very, very tight, it's not moving, untighten these two and pull them apart a little bit, and this makes it a bit more looser. Because when I tightened this up tight, this wasn't moving at all. So that's why I was able to blow in there and make it work. So I'm going to try this side now, and then see it goes reverse the other way. Subscribe, thumbs up, leave a comment, and thank you for watching, guys.